Well, good morning, everybody. I hope all of you are doing well. My name is Scott Nelson, and I just want to thank you for taking a quick look at something that is going to definitely answer, I think, the prayers and hopes of many globally as we get very, very close now to the release of an amazing company and an amazing platform called On Passive. Now, my name is Scott Nelson, and I live in the beautiful state of Idaho here in the United States. I've been a full time work from home business entrepreneur for the last 25 years and have been blessed with many successes in the industry. But the purpose of me reaching out to you, if you're taking time to watch this presentation, is because I have a heart and a desire to help others. You see, in our industry, about 97% of the people that have tried to generate income from home by starting up a home-based business have never had much success, if any at all. And so one of the reasons that I love what is coming with On Passive is that it is virtually going to guarantee world global marketers success for almost anyone that plugs in. It virtually will be impossible for you to fail because with On Passive, you're not going to have to worry about selling or recruiting people. This is a completely 100% hands-free passive income stream using state-of-the-art proprietary artificial intelligence marketing systems that are going to change people's lives forever. And if you believe in the power of the internet and the concept of working from home, then On Passive is going to be the perfect solution and answer to your financial problems that most home-based business entrepreneurs have experienced all their lives. You see, you can either make money or you can make excuses. But one thing we know is that you cannot do both. Sometimes we just need to sit and visualize and think about this one situation. And that situation would be if you had unlimited income and money was no longer an issue, what would you do with your life? I want to really encourage you over these next few minutes during this presentation to think and dream big, understanding what your life could look like over the coming years that will simply give you not only financial freedom, but will also give you time freedom. Whether you're married, whether you have children, whatever your dreams, whatever your hopes are, I believe On Passive will turn those from dreams to realities. You see, in my experience, there are two major problems for people that are trying to make money from home. Number one is you probably are not a salesperson, which means you probably don't want to have to sell anything or to recruit anybody. The second greatest problem is you just don't have quality targeted prospects who might be truly interested in your business opportunity, your product, or your service. You see, you can have the beautiful website, you can spend thousands of dollars creating some of the best looking websites in the world. But the problem is, if you don't have daily qualified targeted traffic that is visiting your sales page or your website, guess what? You'll never succeed. The vision with On Passive for you and for I and for millions of others each and every day that are joining the revolutionary vision is, in fact, guaranteed success. Our founder, Mr. Ash Mufareth, has designed with a team of over 125 internet technology experts, creators of a revolutionary internet marketing solution On Passive that will literally change your life forever. This is a platform that literally is going to allow 100% of people that get started to succeed. That's right. Everyone succeeds, no matter what they do. This is a passive, hands-free system that will change your life forever. You're going to get a opportunity to live it up because we only get one lifetime to live. So let's make the most of it and let's live by self-determined income design. This is hands-free. This is passive. It is completely done for you. It is a automated online success system that is going to be like flipping a success switch on, and that will last you and your family a whole lifetime. And immediately over the coming weeks and months and years ahead is going to create income that will give you not only financial freedom, but most importantly, the freedom of your life and your time. Completely created on autopilot. This business will give you autopilot advertising, marketing, leads, signups, which will do all of the recruiting for you. Doesn't matter whether you want to just participate in the on passive opportunity or whether you have your own business, traditional network marketing, direct selling, or affiliate programs. This is a team building powerhouse and it works for any business opportunity. And yes, you heard me correctly. It automates everything for you. It automates your existing business and provides a massive income opportunity by using this simple to use hands-free technology. On passive's reality may sound a little different than what you're used to hearing because with on passive, anything that you can dream of can be the reality for the rest of your life. And frankly, if you don't make the decision to change the direction of where you are going, then you're going to likely end up where you are already heading. With on passive, your miracle has arrived. And I'm happy to be the presenter of this opportunity that will change your life forever. It is truly a global opportunity. We've already seen over 25,000 founding members who have enrolled during the pre-launch of Gofounders. And you can see we already have offices located around the world. Our U.S. office is located in beautiful Orlando, Florida. Our next U.S. office will be in the Silicon Valley out in California. And we have our software engineers located in India, Egypt, and the Philippines. Truly a global opportunity with a paradigm shift that offers you and everybody that is interested a honest solution that will actually earn you money and not waste your time. Why not swear off all of the scams and fake businesses that come and go? They're there for a month or they're there for 6 months, and if you're lucky, maybe a year, and then they are gone. You see, on passive is a true game changer. It is an industry disruptor where every single person that decides to get involved who joins on passive will succeed. You can get started for as little as $25, and at the affiliate level, you can see that you could be easily earning over $100,000 monthly, starting with just $25 out of pocket. Now, please, in these examples here, understand that your earnings are going to vary, obviously, depending on how much time and effort you decide to put in. The income claims presented are not intended to serve as a guarantee of the amount of money that you will earn. Instead, they're simply designed to give you an idea of what is possible. As with any other business, success with on passive does require hard work, focus, commitment, leadership, and desire. So we are very picky, especially in the enrollment right now of only founders, to make certain that you meet these criteria, because we're not looking for tire kickers. We're not looking for weak-kneed or weak-willed people who are not able to handle success with the platform that will become available here in the coming days with OnPassive. We have another couple of levels that if you decide your success is something that you want to take to the next level, that you can do. So we have a pro level, a leader level, and a master level. And you can participate depending on what type of income you desire for you and your family. You can see that we are a company that is set to provide monthly residual for you, your family, and generations that follow you for life, with the potential of turning as little as $25 eventually into as much as $2 million per month or more. I know that's hard to imagine, but just imagine that if we only succeeded with 1%, not 100%, if you look at that running total, the potential of $2 million a month, and you only achieved 1% of that, could you live well on $20,000 a month in residual income for the rest of your life? The beautiful thing about what we have done with OnPassive is you will only pay one time and you will be paid for life. And there are several payment options to choose from. This is a company pay structure that uses an unlimited payment matrix, a 3x10, that will pay you to infinity. And no matter who you are, every single person in your organization will actually pay you for life. This is a pay plan and is going to allow you to enjoy that viral, massive spillover and automatic upgrades, which means you can truly turn $25 into over $2 million per month in residual income for life. This is a self-funding solution, which means you don't have to worry. You can start with $25 and never, ever reach into your pocket again for the rest of your life. There is no recruiting required to earn. That is so nice to hear. You don't ever have to sell any products. You don't ever have to recruit even one person in order to earn. So you are going to be able to build as much of an income wealth portfolio as you desire. And of course, this platform, which is fully automated and 100% hands-free, allows you to build any business or businesses that you desire. You are fully in control of your own income. This is real-time income that you control and is paid directly to you on a real-time basis. The system and platform is designed to provide you with every useful marketing tool that will do all of the heavy lifting for you. And every single tool that is developed is proprietary and has never been seen before. And the most important thing is to remember this system is completely passive and 100% hands-free. Now, right now, we have not released the platform at OnPassive yet. It should be released very soon. But what we are offering to you, if you've made it this far in the presentation, is the opportunity to become one of the first thousands of founders with OnPassive. This will give you an opportunity to be positioned into OnPassive before anybody globally even knows about it. And of course, the benefits for you becoming a founder. And remember, you do not need to become a founder. You can wait to the actual official rollout of OnPassive and you can join at that time. But if you would enjoy having an early invitation before really anybody knows about this, and priority positioning in the on passive corporate structure before others, priority access to your own private Gofounders website, and the opportunity to be a beta tester when the on passive platform opens up, and be members of Inner Circle Inside Information, where we will brainstorm together to create the most unique business opportunity ever offered globally. This is 100% risk-free, guaranteed opportunity, because at any time, if you are dissatisfied with your position as a founding member of On Passive, all you need to do is request a refund. No questions, no problem, for the rest of your life. This is not limited to 30 days, 90 days. This is a lifetime guarantee. So, do you want to become a founder? Are you ready to change your life? There are just a few days left for you to grab your founder's position. This is a one-time opportunity. It will cost you a one-time $97 for a 12-month period. At the end of 12 months, you can choose if you want to renew your founder's position or not. And remember, this is in a pre-launch mode. We're just about ready to launch on Passive now. So I would tell you that it probably is not going to last, but it is such a unique opportunity. Now, myself, I actually joined because remember, this platform has been under construction now for over 1 year. Back in August of last year, 2018, I decided to become a founding member. And I was like in the first 500 members or founding members of the company. And here we are just about 8 months later, and we now have just about 25,000 global founders, and we have not even launched on Passive. You are going to receive an official confirmation once you make your $97 one-time payment to become a member. So let me recap about the benefits. This is a funding solution to your business and any other cause that you may have. This compensation plan pays real-time instant payments. Of course, the residual income is paid daily and is not limited. So if you like an opportunity where nobody is ever going to be able to put a cap on your income, I believe that On Passive is the perfect opportunity for you. If you like the opportunity for a top marketing, fully automated system that is all done for you, On Passive is your solution. You are going to be given real-time, daily traffic to whatever you decide you want to promote. Guaranteed visitors and signups that are done 100% for you. And breakthrough products that are going to fully automate your financial freedom and will allow you to turn for as little as $25 one time into $2 million a month in income. That's right, this is a fact. There is no limit. This is an unlimited income potential platform that will change you and your family's financial life immediately, now and forevermore. The sky truly is the limit. So if you would like to be positioned before we officially open On Passive, then I would highly recommend getting back, because the sky is the limit. Get back to the person that shared this with you and get started today. Remember, all glory comes from daring to begin. Become a founder today. I would love to invite you and to have you on our team today. I want to thank you for watching. Take action now and start thinking and dreaming big again with On Passive.